In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Wi-Fi password using your mobile device. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to an internet browser and then head down to the URL section, and you need to type in 192.168.0.1 and hit enter. Now this should take you to your router login page. If you don't see what I'm seeing now, then what you need to do is come back over to the URL section and try typing in 192.168.1.1. So once you're on your router login page, you'll need to type in the password. Now if you're not sure what the password is, then this is located on the back or the side of your router. Now do note this is different to the Wi-Fi password, so you'll need to locate this on the physical router itself. Sometimes this may also ask you for a username, and again this will be located on your router. But for mine it's just asking for the password. So once you've typed in your password, go ahead and select next. Once you've logged into your account, you'll need to select advanced settings, scroll down to wireless, click on security, and then right at the top you'll see your wireless security settings. And you'll have this option for Wi-Fi password. So this is where you need to enter your new password. Now it may look slightly different on your admin router page, but you will have this option somewhere listed. And once you've typed in your new password, you can just go ahead and save those changes, and you've now changed your Wi-Fi password on your phone. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.